What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, up till now we know that the Apple event is going to be happening on September 7 and we have a new design in the Pro models. Well, today we have got another leak coming from an anonymous source which indicates that the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models will be having no gap, which is going to be filled by the unlit pixels for the display. This leak has been confirmed by different sources from Mac Rumors, 9 to 5 Mac and Bloomberg Mark Gurman that Apple is going to be utilizing the gap which is coming between the pill and punch hole cutout display. Now according to 9 to 5 Mac source, he believes that Apple could use the area to display the green and orange privacy indicator for the camera and microphone respectively, which is currently shows in the upper right corner of the display. This change will allow the Apple to show both the dots at the same time as opposed to showing only the green dot when both the cameras and microphones are in use by the apps. User will also apparently able to tap on these indicators to see a list of apps accessing the microphone and the camera. The same source tells the camera app is also expected to change. Flash and live photos will be right up in the status bar while other settings are positioned right below cutouts. Well, to be honest, I did not like this implementation because if we have this long bar at such an unusual angle, it will look so ugly, and in my opinion this will cancel the effect of having a new design. Now iPhone 14 rumors are getting wilder by day, and in recent past we have seen reports that not only the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max get a new 48 megapixel camera but also new ultra wide angle unit with bigger pixel. Earlier today we have got a good news for Apple fans because TrendForce published a report saying that the iPhone 14 series will not see a big price increase and the standard model might actually be cheaper than the iPhone 13. Now having this long pill shape cutout on the front, I wonder why Apple went for two cutouts in first place. Take this leak as a pinch of salt because it is not coming from a credible source. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.